A disturbing incident has come to light from Koppal district where worms were found in the midday meal served at a government school, triggering panic among students and concern among parents. The incident occurred at the old government school where hot midday meals were served to children on December 9. While eating, students noticed cooked worms in their food and immediately alerted their school staff and their parents. After videos of the contaminated meal went viral on social media, the issue drew the attention of education and health authorities, leading to widespread concern over food safety in government schools. According to officials, no child has fallen ill so far, but parents have expressed strong anger and dissatisfaction. They have alleged negligence on the part of staff responsible for checking the quality of food grains before cooking. The school administration clarified that the rice is supplied under the Akshara Dasoha scheme and suggested that the grains might have been stored for a long period. Hanumantappa Hatti, chairman of the School Development Committee, said cooks have been instructed to thoroughly wash rice and other grains before cooking and immediately report any contamination so that the stock can be replaced. He further stated that since stored rice is often distributed by Akshara Dasoha officials, there are instances where such grains reach schools. He added that the rice may have remained unused in one corner for a long time and was cooked without separating the worms, resulting in children unknowingly consuming contaminated food. Taking the matter seriously, authorities have directed the food health officer to collect food samples and submit a detailed report. Meetings are also being held with headmasters of various schools to ensure regular inspection and monitoring of food grains. Meanwhile, a show cause notice has been issued to the school headmaster and further investigation into the incident is currently underway.